contacted Michael and said, would this be a possibility? And he said, yes, I have advanced welders. I have a class, and it's going to be in the fall. Well, the grant was supposed to be done by November. Everything was supposed to be done by November. And I said, you know, they have school until through December. So we got an extension on that particular part. In reality, it was done before, at the very early part of November. 5 students worked on it. And I don't know if you've ever been to the college, but the welders are way at the end of a hall, long ways down there. And when you go down in that particular area, you see all these flags. They have been in state competitions for years and have come out first. So we came to the right welders, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Yay!